Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today we're at the tail of the dragon, and this time I brought the new Supra. Of course, the last time I was here had the C7, and I'm in good company. Two C7s here in the parking area. Actually, one is a subscriber, so he's gonna follow us along. He's by himself and gonna do some fun roads with us. We did part of the tail coming in, and Supra's doing great so far. Really impressed with this car. Tons of torque on that 6-cylinder turbo, so really happy with the power. In fact, my buddy Tom with the ZR1 was questioning my power rating because he's like, I was actually having some trouble keeping up with you, but there is just a ton of torque on that engine, and then with the tune, man, this car is going to be hard to beat. So all right, excited about that. Let's get to some footage of the tail. All right, guys, this is the tail going from the back direction. And already we got some traffic. Take my sunglasses off. It's kind of dark. You're kidding. And of course the minivan didn't go off. Thank you. Boy, that torque coming out of those tight corners is right on tap. It's great. Tight one here. I have it in the traction mode, the middle setting, so stability won't kick in as much. And we got another slow biker. I don't understand why you would do this road slow. What fun is that? Definitely not safe to pass. It's gonna pull off here, I hope. GT4 Cayman. Love that car. I have it in Transit Auto because it's so tight. I'm gonna leave it there for now. What's up with dogs? Oh, rock hit me in the windshield. Excellent. Tires are holding on. The OEM, the Michelin Pilot Super Sports. I love these tires. That middle setting of the traction control is not kicking in at all. That's perfect. Wow, this car is doing excellent. I have the windows closed so you can hear me. Tight. You go over there, you're dead. The rear end is staying so planted. There's photographers along the way that take your picture and then you look them up online. I went over a little bit there. You shouldn't go over the yellow line. I have the AC on because the windows are closed, but it's probably not the best to do that. The temperatures are staying super cool though. And I actually have the hidden menu on one's under 100 and oil is 111 right now. Wow. Oh my. You probably will be scraping if you had the Corvette, because it's just those undulations scraping the rubber splitter. Super fun road though. Tail of the Dragon, if you've never been, it's a worthwhile trip on the border of Tennessee, North Carolina, in the Smoky Mountains. Wow. Seats are really holding me in too. I have the side bolsters all the way up. This is just a fun car. The steering is the only thing I would like it to be a little bit more direct. It's a little too light. I would like a little more feedback in that steering wheel. Still get the crackles and pops on the exhaust. Brakes are holding up. Pedals a little bit on the softer side, but that's just how these brakes are. I'm able to keep up with my buddies in front. Two Camaros, and my buddy in the back is a ZR1 Corvette supercharged. So no problem with the power there. Wow, this is a workout. I'm sweating. Oh, I think it's just about over. But yeah, that was a fun road. Car did excellent. Really happy with the Supra. A couple other things about the Supra before the end here. The steering ratio is very tall, so you can see me really turning that wheel on these tight turns farther than I would like, and having to shuffle my hands around sometimes. But it's the turning is super quick on road, so I guess that's why they did that, because it would upset the car too much if it was even quicker. But you would only notice that on these extremely tight turns. Oh wow. Also, the suspension in Sport is still not super stiff like the track suspension in the Corvette, which is a good thing because it handles the road irregularities very well, and the rear end stays planted. Now, I don't know on the racetrack if it might be a little bit on the soft side or not, but it's perfect for the street. All right, welcome to North Carolina side now. So we were on the Tennessee side. For this run, I mainly kept the trans in auto, but in other runs I tried paddle shifting manually, and either way is extremely fun. The paddles are extremely responsive, and the sport program in auto does just about what I did in manual. Pull things off a little bit. Alright guys, thanks for watching this point of view video of me driving a Supra on the tail of the Dragon. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you made it this far in the video, and put your comment below what you thought. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. And that's the end.